Assalamu alaikum everyone. This support video is for our subscribed teachers to help them understand how ABC Reading Eggs work, where to log in, what are the different features available in their dashboard and how to use them. So this is our main page, which is readingeggs.com. The login cards that are provided to you through your administration, उस पे बहुत clearly website का address mentioned है. It is readingeggs.com and this is the login button. But before I log in my demonstration account, just a suggestion for you teachers to visit this home page and spend some good time exploring all these tabs over here, because a lot of fact-based, research-based information is available for you to learn and grow as a literacy teacher. बहुत सारा open resource मौजूद है to download for your classrooms and school. So I strongly recommend you to visit, explore, learn and enjoy. Now let's log in. So this is your login window. Enter the credentials that you have got and click let me in. This will straight away take you to your teacher's dashboard. See, this is my dashboard. Left पे आपके पास complete menu आ रहा है. What I'll do is I'll give you a brief walkthrough of all the features available one by one. Let's start with management, and the first thing in management is manage students. Manage students is the place where you will be able to see all your students in classes. See, these are my students. And if you've got multiple classes, you can always load one to work with. This area will also help teachers edit their students' basic information and login credentials. For example, choose any of your student, use edit option. And here you can edit a child's first name, last name, login, password. The password is not visible, but the moment I'll click on the side, it will be visible, allowing me to edit. You can edit the required and save changes. That's it. This easy it is to manage students in Reading Eggs. This area will also help you print login cards for your students. If you wish to do it for your complete class together, just click all and all of your students will be highlighted. Use print logins and a PDF file will be generated with all the login IDs of your students. You can download it and print it for your students. If you wish to do it for individual or selective students, just select the student, use print logins, and this time the PDF will only be showcasing the highlighted student login card. You can download it and give it to the child. So this was a brief of manage students. Now let's go to manage classes. In this area, teachers will be able to edit their class name and other options. This area will also help teachers to turn off the games or playroom on their children's console if they wish to do so. And the last in management is manage progress. This is one of the most important areas for teachers to see what their students are currently doing in different areas of Reading Eggs and Express. For example, what are they currently doing in reading lessons? How are they currently performing in spelling lessons? A year-by-year guide is also available for you to correlate. However, as we say, we place teachers at the heart of learning. So we say it is a teacher's prerogative. They can always edit a student's progress anytime in any part of the year. For example, they select a student, use your edit option, and here you can place your child on any of the required reading or spelling lessons. Make the changes you wish to and save changes. That's it. If you wish to change the progress of your complete class together, just select all of your students, and this time here is the edit progress option. You can always assign placement test. You can always put students on certain lesson as per your requirement. Just update and it will be updated for your selective class. That's it. So this was manage progress. Now let's move on to the next section, which is Reading Eggs, and this section is content based. Foremost, let's explore lessons. This is the area where teachers will be able to see comprehensive summary of all the lessons available in reading, spelling and story maps of Reading Eggs, what phonetically decodable words, which vocabulary, which phonics and sounds are going to be targeted in that specific lesson, with an option to preview and get the additional available resources in PDF form. Teachers may always use this additional resource as per their requirement. You can always navigate to next maps from here. Now let's move on to assignments. Assignments is the area where teachers will be able to create and manage assignments. Once a teacher creates an assignment for students, the child's account is completely paused और उसके ऊपर सिर्फ homework information आ रही होती है that your teacher has placed this homework, first finish this to move on. You can always create assignment for all of your class together or for your selective students. As you can see, you have an option of selecting all or any of your classes. So once you decide what students you wish to assign homework, you can put a start date, a due date, because for that period of time the rest of the child's dashboard will be paused. Teachers are able to assign multiple types of activities as an assignments. They can use reading lessons, spelling lessons, storyline lesson, and even driving test as an assignment. So once you choose your type of activity, select the year, select the lesson you wish to assign, and just create this assignment. It will create the assignment for selective students. You can always assign multiple activities. वो बच्चे के screen में sequence में appear होती हैं. The child will finish the first one and will move on to the next one, and this way it works. Manage assignments will help you check out the results. Since it's a demonstration account, यहाँ पे visible नहीं है, but over here you will have all the students' name, कितने बच्चों ने assignment complete कर ली है already, what is their average score, all the details in printable format is also will be available for you. In past assignments, you can always see the results of the past assignment. This is also printable. Now let's move on to the report section. ReadingX provides you complete and comprehensive reporting for your students to analyze their strength and weakness. You can always use selective areas to get the reports, or you can launch the complete dashboard from here. Color-coded chart view is available. You can also use tabular form to get the results. In tabular form, you'll be able to see the results in numbers as well. Select a student and you'll be able to see the child's performance in detail. A lot of detail. You can export these and print them as well. So this was Reading Eggs. The next area, which is of Reading Express, it works the same way. In lessons, you will be able to get the comprehensive summary of all the lessons available in reading and spelling areas of Reading Express. In assignments, teachers, the same way teachers are able to manage and create assignments. Report section also provides teacher comprehensive reporting in Reading Express. In fact, a little more detailed reporting is available in Reading Express because बच्चे थोड़े से बड़े हो जाते हैं. And in the end, you get to see the quick links. In quick links, you'll be able to get user guides, complete step-by-step instructions to get to know more of certain areas of Reading Eggs and Express, correlation charts, placement test overview, library catalog, and whatnot. So this is a complete guide for teachers. The last but the favorite areas of teachers is Teacher Toolkit. As you can see, it's segregated into K-2 and 3-4. A huge teaching resources available in form of PowerPoint lessons, worksheets, posters, and whatnot. You just think of a resource and it will be available over here. As we say, you'll never have to make a worksheet again. And this resource is exclusive of what is available to students. You can also access a range of big books from here. You can use these big books for storytelling session, online storytelling session, and maybe in-person storytelling session. You can select from wide range of reading levels that are available over here, and every big book is further facilitated with notes as well for teachers to understand how to take that storytelling session, what points to discuss, what further activities they may carry out in their classrooms. Interesting? Indeed it is. Teachers are provided with an opportunity to view their students' accounts or launch her account as a demonstration. For example, just click here and see, ये आपके सारे students हैं. This is your demonstration account. If you click it, it will take you to a child's account. बच्चे के account का view आना शुरू हो जाता है कि what are the features available in child's account and how do they work. Click buy, and that's easy it is to understand how the things work in students' account. This was a brief of Reading Eggs for teachers. I wish you good luck. Happy learning. Bye-bye.